Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video we will talk about naming structure, and here I mean the naming of component specific token. The token we will hand over to our developers. Let's see. So the first rule here is your name should be short. So this is a bad example. Background main color for header. So it's better to be more shorter, like header background color. Your token name also should be meaningful. Maybe if you can read this one, you understand it. But for any new designer or any new developer joining the team, it's not easy for him to understand. So instead of to say ET color like that, to make it short, well, it's also supposed to be have a meaning, easy to understand. Error text color. Also, your token name should be scalable. What does this mean? Let's take a look over here. Tiny space, huge space. This is not easy to scale. What if I need something bigger than huge? Or what if I need something in between? It's not easy. But if you said spacing small, spacing medium, spacing large, this can be scalable. Absolutely, you can find something, smaller, you can find something bigger. Also, your token name is supposed to be flexible. What does this mean? Blue button background or red button background. What if you want in the future to change the button background color? So it's better to be button primary background color or button secondary background color like that. Okay? Consistent. This is really important also. Your token name is supposed to be consistent to make it easy to change, easy to understand, easy to memorize, and so on. So this is a bad example. Small text size, large size text, medium font. This is not good. It's better to have font size small, font size medium, font size large. So I have a consistency in my naming. Descriptive. Shadow 1. What is this shadow for? As a component specific token, you have to understand it. So card shadow is okay. I know this shadow for the card. Also contextual. So header color, footer color. But absolutely, this header have many colors. So is this for the background, the color of the header, or for text, or for button, or what? So header, or for border, or for shadow. Your token name is supposed to be contextual. So for example, header background color, or footer background color. Future proof, and this is the last one. Button 2023 background. Okay, what about 2024? What about if someone join our team right now? He will ask a lot of questions, So ignore that. Just button primary background. So keep these rules and structure in your mind while you and your team thinking for component specific name. Maybe also you can test it. And think for the future. If you keep these rules in your mind and try to check before you release your tokens, this will help you a lot and save a lot of time and fill a gap between you and your team now and in the future. That's it for today. See you again. Bye.